the championship with the St.Louis Blues.
We be getting ready up here, boy. Boy, we do nothing. We have nothing to lose. We got nothing to lose. We win. We don't never back down, never won, never
Give
give up. Next, we have the Colorado Avalanche. So, Mr. Colorado Avalanche.
Yeah.
How do you feel about this game?
I'm gonna win!
And why is that?
Because I won the World Cup twice now.
First of all, that's soccer. Second of all, you never won it.
I did win the World Cup.
Then show me it.
This other trophy that doesn't look identical.
So, whoever wins the match, you're saying will get this?
No, don't get that one. And they'll get a sticker of theirs.
And
That one just for looks.
since Noah already has both of his both of the
these
jerseys
I'm gonna get a New York Rangers one.
because they made it to the playoffs and the other
They
teams,
were the closest team to making the finals and also winning. Okay, now St. Louis Blue. How do you feel?
I'm good. We have been very
You sound like a girl.
Shut up! We've been very like rowdy lately, so
Yeah.
we're in the spirit, and the fans are rooting for us because, like, obviously I have the better looks.
One last
And
question. Are you in the thick of it?
Everybody knows, of course I am, because I'm in the thick of it.
And all hail the master trophy. Your head's blocking it.
Wait.
Oh, we got being closer. Oh.
This is what we've been winning. Last year, they got out, but I cooked them.
No, you didn't.
So no sticker now.
Wait, no. Oh, no. That's your fault. Give me it back. Give me it back. You have to keep it on there.
Why?
Because it's the titles. Not this.
Wait, no. How about we redo the start? And I do like
No,
this.
no, we're not redoing the beginning again.
Please,
No.
please.
No. Turn the freaking light on.
And the game is about to begin. The St. Louis Blues are the home team for the first game.
And the Colorado Avalanche are the away team. Did you break it? Keep it on. And it's about to start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
We're going to this moment.
4,
This moment.
3, 2, 1. Let's
start the game.
Yeah!
The game begin with a goofy.
I won the World Cup!
Where did it go?
Oh no.
Where did it go, Noah?
You have it. Check. Let me.
I'll pause it. Okay, Noah starting with a hit that looked.
What? It's the classic move. What is it? We'll just use the blue one. Good thing I found the blue one. Good thing I found this one.
Oh,
I found this one.
did it go?
Okay.
And let's basically start again.
There's like nobody talking in this series.
Timothy! At least the first game of the series.
First game of the series is probably going to be the most important one because you could win the next game. Wait, I'm obviously going to win next game to win the series.
And you said you're going to win this game.
I mean, and the fans, right, fans?
No, St. Louis fans are the best.
Now, just because we live in this stupid state called Missouri,
The Chiefs are actually good, Noah.
the Chiefs are the worst team.
They won the last 3 Super Bowls in a row, man.
Well, yeah, but
They keep me sucking.
but the refs this year like them more. of Taylor Swift. All the Swiftie refs. My favorite team.
Those Swiftie refs out there though. It's getting cold outside. That was the most lame rule
Well, I was literally curved like this.
I cannot shoot at all this game.
Neither can I. You sure you can't shoot at all?
I can shoot your head. No space and no time. But if you get past me.
Those Swiftie refs.
We have bad blood. Hey, it's gonna be one of those nights where I suck your balls. It's gonna be a moaning night. Oh! I could have bounced off your back and run in.
Where'd it go? Oh, I see the yellow one.
Where?
Oh, and the blue. The yellow one's way over there. If we lose the blue one, I'll go.
Wait.
Okay, I'm ready. Baby, I'm ready for you tonight. Oh! Oh! 3 minutes and there has been a single goal. Header! I told you I won the World Cup.
I'm proud of you, Noah. Proud of you.
Bro, this felt bad. Oh! Hold on, wait, time out.
Oh, net just lodged.
I don't know. Oh, there. It was this one. No, I moved away.
He actually plays for the World Cup. He's played it 2 times now. No, here.
Finally a goal. That's what I was gonna do.
I cannot be shooting at all at this game.
I absolutely do that away from my net. Don't hurt the timer. Nope, you're not doing this again. No free.
I play soccer too, you know.
I play it more. I've made 2.
I actually go for it.
I'm gonna go off the head. Just grab it!
Let's go. Down in.
How
Yes,
did
sir.
it just pop up whenever I was doing that? It just like decided, but I'm gonna take a twip. Not this again.
It's getting cold outside.
We don't care!
Gotta smoke that thing. Win this point. You're not in stopper.
How did it take this long for both of us to score? Okay, I'm ready.
Go. Blues.
No, not that. winner here. Cause I got to win
I'm on the top.
But did you win the World Cup?
Did you?
Yeah.
No.
I won it twice.
Oh.
So we
Wasting so much of our time.
we're just hugging. Honestly.
I'm not.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm done. I'm gonna be. Can we be done now? I'm gonna do this again. I wanna be done. I'm done fighting now. I do better with it.
That's a nice fight, guys.
One of the last fights of the season. For no reason.
So we have to enjoy it.
Still doing in the finals. No! I should have just tapped it. Instead of trying to bring it out and shoot. What were you trying to do?
I hit it off your back.
Or hit it off my head. Because I hit headers.
Ah! Ah!
Oh, God.
Both shorted.
Bro,
How was it?
what a perfect sequence. I'm making an amazing save and then I short. I didn't actually short. That was just a normal fart. It really stinks.
Oh! You gotta be using that for bees you had.
It might be that ice cream from earlier.
What?
Yeah, but when we're Culvers. No! I did it for like the third straight game.
Your turn.
I did that for like the third straight game.
Bro, we need that for bees! We needed that.
Oh, shoot. Okay, we're good.
For bees zone. For bees. You guys need to. Oh, my eyes.
Oh, don't.
They go. It's very stinky.
Even more. Why are you spraying my bathroom?
Because there's more going there too. Oh, it smells so much better in here.
No, it doesn't. It burns my nose.
But it's better than your fart.
Wait!
Header.
Beep here!
What? I'm gonna hold it. No, 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 no.
What?
No, no, no.
I didn't play the sound.
No, yeah, because I paused it.
Bruh.
I was giving you time, and you have it by your goal.
It's just one game. Just one game. You know the Avalanche are by far better. Just one game. A very important game.
Oh, that was good.
From finding your peace to finding your pace.
Okay. Did you fix the score? Change the score!
What?
The board. The big Bob. Change the big Bob. Oh yeah, I got two now. Someone decided.
What do you mean I'm on the home team?
I'm the home team in this game.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah,
Wait,
yeah.
is this the trophy? No, what did I say? Oh, it's there right there.
My
The
pee-pee is
Blues
hunger.
have a chance to win the game, to win it here. The Avalanche are gonna obviously win though.
We have to give them a quick chat, and then you do it afterwards, okay? Here's the plan. I'm gonna cook some more, and then cook. And then I'm gonna try to make him out a lot, so we get Now your turn to talk to them. No, don't you that. Actually talk to them. It makes it better. It makes the YouTube channel funner.
Bro, I got over 100 subscribers off of this series.
Of saying Bob.
Yeah.
Just say something.
Don't like it.
Just say something.
Don't understand the humor. Already.
I don't know.
What? What? Yeah, I won the face off. What? Oh wait, I didn't do the thing. Let me do my thing real quick. I did it. I remember I did that once and it went in. Bro, that was a zipper, bro.
What's a zipper?
I don't know. Did I say what?
You said zipper.
Question mark?
I hate throwing stick at me.
No, I didn't mean I kicked it out of my hand.
How do you kick your stick out of your hand?
My leg flew. What?
My face! I'm so good. I actually played in the workout.
No, but I've won it twice.
And I just won it last time.
No, it's the amount of series you. Oh. Hey, that's not very nice. I'm not gonna fight you. Oh, still! My butt.
Got him. Ah. Did you? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, put the ball in the middle.
No, no. Yeah.
Put the ball in the middle. Put the ball in the middle.
Guys, the ball is blue.
Oh, I
because
just
St.
realized
Louis Blues.
Game 1 didn't go like last year's Game 1 in the finals.
And what was it?
You remember it went to like 4 overtimes?
Oh my gosh.
Game took forever. Oh!
That bro said, what?
I thought you were gonna shoot it right off. I was saying that. I know you're angry. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, you cannot track the ball this game.
Me?
Yeah, you keep losing it.
Yes!
Hey, I threw my stick.
It's getting cold
I
outside.
threw my stick.
It's gonna be a good day.
I threw my stick.
I smoked that thing.
I threw my stick.
Put it away.
My hair's falling out.
Bro, that's a wig?
No, it's just like if you just slip, they like fall in my head. What? I think I have cancer, chat.
W's in the chat. Oh, no, that's the O's in the chat.
No!
Guys, Noah's opponent. The open net. Oh. What is that shot?
Well, maybe if you weren't 1 centimeter in front of me, it would have been better. Oh shoot!
Oh. I know trick shots.
What?
What?
The physics?
The mental?
What? That was cool. Hold on, let me.
Let me.
Wait! Imagine that one.
back up big.
That sounded like it hurt.
Oh, that just jumped over the net. That's it. Yeah. He's refused these cancers. You be having the cancer, bro.
Wonder if my sneezes will stink.
Yes.
Son of a banana.
Oh no. Oh, did it fart again?
Why did it?
We need enough for these again. I know, but
That was in my butt. Yeah, this is like special effects for my toys. Ah! I hate it. This is disgusting. We're done with the police.
no, I missed the spot that actually needed it.
No.
No, I need it.
Grab it. I wasn't ready.
I didn't ask you.
I was trying to make a cool goal so it looked like I was in slow motion. What is it? Oh! That's not the way you do this.
Hey, that's not fair. You moved the net,
I didn't mean to dislodge
and I was shooting it.
I didn't mean to dislodge it.
That's not fair. It should have
I don't even think that was going in.
You said why?
That one.
That hurt. I got a free shot like this.
Seconds left.
Yes!
It didn't go in.
Yeah, boy.
You pulled me away and I still
Not just lost.
Lucky! You're so lucky. I'm just gonna dump it. Oh, I can't dump it when he's in the way. Ah!
Sorry, no.
I should be slashing. You did this last time.
No!
Owie! Your stick almost hit my eye.
We didn't use that one.
We had this.
We didn't. Who's gonna score 21 goals? I'm sorry, Noah. Not really.
Now we have to use that one.
We don't.
Oh, this side broken.
Ah, that still works.
Well, then how come I can't?
Exactly.
It doesn't work that goodly.
Okay. The fans don't even see it, though.
No, they do.
No, they don't.
You can see this right there, and there's like, oh. So now my scoreboard's broken by. I wonder.
I'll give you a new one for Christmas.
No, don't worry, I can just ask one. I was gonna ask Santa for like a mini jumbotron to like put up here or something.
Huh.
Yeah. So now we go find a big room.
Yeah, we just have to reject it. Wait, comment. I know.
It's more than a kid's smartwatch. It's a way to get them moving with activity-based games. And follow their adventures with location tracking. Ah, there she is. Introducing Fitbit Ace LTE. Play is calling.
Beep.
Guys, this is the last game. We gotta get it.
What? I clicked that. That's the 10-year. Oh,
Wait, no, can we play like this?
you can barely see. I don't think we would have to use the yellow box. You can't see the blue box.
Oh, yeah. It's okay then.
We'll just end game 3 of the finals is
Whoa!
the St.Louis Blues.
I'm a person that does that. And then the St. Louis Avalanche. The Sebastian, Colorado. Not the Sebastian, Colorado. The Georgia. No, not the Georgia.
Colorado.
Oh, I knew that. The Avalanche, Colorado. Oh, no, that's wrong too.
It's Colorado first.
It's Colorado First Avalanche.
Colorado Avalanche.
It's the Colorado Avalanche.
I'm a furry. What's my name? Game 3. They're gonna start. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
This is my moment, my time to show.
2, and
One.
1. I'll 50 my man.
Ah!
I can go squat. I'm supposed to do that.
Oh, Timothy! Right off the bat. Right off the bat.
I told
Home team.
you can still use this one,
Home
stupid.
team.
It still works a little bit.
Home team.
Just some of the things kind of fell out.
Home team. Shoot.
I'm definitely not studying what happened with that. I'm definitely not. I just did your shot 3 times. 12 seconds into the final game, he scores.
Where is it?
I know where the yellow one is.
Where?
Do you actually have the blue one?
No.
The yellow one is right. Ow. Here. I got the yellow one.
Okay. Wait, should we extra? I'm gonna come down here and watch us.
No, I'm fine. Ow. I'm my only option there. No. Oh!
Hey, it wasn't as bad as you hit with it.
Ah! That tickled.
What?
It did. Just make sure. After review of play, we have no goal.
It was an easy one, and it didn't take us 45 minutes. It took us like 2 minutes.
Okay.
You have to put a lot of pressure on this game.
Yeah, I got a pressure. What the? You went crazy. Yeah.
Oh, good.
I have to play good goaltending in this game too.
Yeah. I mean, I already do. Oh, oh I got it. You know, it'd be fair if I won this series because you won the last
Oh my
series.
gosh, that might be like one of the greatest saves in this playoffs.
I see that every time you make a cool save.
Well, I mean, it might.
We don't even do that. We should make find clips of the craziest.
And then we make a montage of them.
Yeah. Give me that. I'll let you.
I don't know.
Oh, there are 4 minutes left.
What? Get the stick away. Get the stick away.
Oh no, I thumbed it. Okay. I knocked it down. Sorry, y'all. I'm bad at this. So I'll let Noah do this.
Yeah, he does stuff. I think that's food for me. Hold on.
Ah! Wait, no. What are you having for dinner?
Steak.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm ready. Unpause it. Unpause it. Dang it! I put it over there so you wouldn't find it, and I didn't put it on stick. And you could score me.
Actually, really well.
Ah!
I'm sorry.
I hit my
Poundy,
wrist.
poundy.
I hit my wrist.
Poundy shot. And go.
Don't poke that chicken.
Alright.
Oh, that's gonna. I'm gonna feel that one tomorrow.
What one?
That when you're sticking my wrist.
Oh, sorry. We have a soccer game tomorrow.
Oh yeah. I mean, I don't really need my wrist for soccer. Yes, but that was a.
Hey, it's only fair. You won the last series. You won the last Stanley Cup.
There's no way the Blues are going all the way. Unpause the timer. There's no freaking way the Blues are going all the way. I can't be so.
I mean, you technically can. You just got one. So you just have to give him no space.
I'm giving you no space.
I mean, that's not fair. I'll give Brian a
Basically, what you're doing. How about you can go past the other players when we run?
Alright.
Yep, we just made a new rule right there and there. Right then and there.
You could get it right.
Can't even shoot the ball.
Use your hand.
No. What? You good?
Yeah, fine. Alright, you rest your pinky. It's okay.
Oh!
You can smack that check. Wait. Oh no.
Oh!
He'd be trying everything. What you doing is so weird.
Yes! Oh my gosh. Oh, one more goal. One more goal is nothing. Go, fast, fast, fast.
Oh! Oh!
Please, can we make it interesting? Please, something. No! No!
Yes! Yes! Let's go Blues! Let's go Blues! Let's go! Let's go Blues!
How did I
We
lose
are
to
the go!
this kid?
We are the go! And you won last year.
And now, get up, stand up.
Give me that boy. Give me
And
that.
your 2024 knee hockey champion, St.Louis Blues.
Ah! Let's go! No, flick it the lights. Ah! Let's go! Let's go! We got it now. We can go now.
If you don't want to be flash playing. I got it like correct. Okay. And now,
Time for the interview for the losing team. We need some deodorant. We're gonna use this. Okay, what happened here?
it's just his forecheck was too strong. I couldn't handle it. He was able to get one right.
Wait, stop
away.
right there. So you're saying he's good?
I'm just saying that like he forechecked a little harder than usual, so.
So,
It wasn't-
so that was tough to handle, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really hard to handle and track since he was so close.
Yeah. And so we did make a rule in the middle of the game that we can't cross the blue line.
Yeah.
Do you like that rule?
Yes, I do.
Do you think you'd help in your next tournament games if you make it so he doesn't pressure you?
Yes, next season, I'm gonna try my best to make sure he doesn't pressure me like crazy.
Okay, and then how are you supposed to do that? I know it's been a really rough game with that. It's very disappointing.
I mean, he did score one in 12 seconds in, I believe, and then he just scored with like 3 minutes left, and I was only able to pop one in the net after that.
It was a very nice score. How did you feel after you scored that? Do you think you could come back or?
I think
Just
I had a
keep playing.
chance. I tried forechecking as much as I can after, and not focus on my defensive area, so he was able to get a lot of close calls when I.
Says the one that's a goalie, not defensive.
Shut up! We were down by one.
That was not a bad game.
I think
Last year it was horrible because it was a crazy goal by you.
Yeah.
By your by just you.
Yeah, but
You were on the Lightning that year. Now this year
Yeah.
you're on the
Avalanche. I
And
got
then
traded, sadly.
yeah. Now you're getting traded to other teams next year.
Yeah, I'm probably.
So
They're saying they're probably gonna send me to like the Sabres, which
we're
I
Toronto.
heard that Bob the Builder gonna get them a win after 2 straight games. So
All right, next to St. Louis Blues.
it may the winner come out the St. Louis Blues, the knee hockey champions.
Oh,
How did you feel coming into that game?
but we gotta start energetic. Gotta get the first goal and make the other team get a little down, so you can lift yourself right up.
What did you intend coming out in that game? Did you expect him to play the better defense?
I expected, of myself, I thought I would play way worse offense, and I just could not shoot that whole series at all. But I came out on top somehow. He had good defense. I just think I was pressuring him too much, and he got overwhelmed.
What, if he tied the game, would you think you would have scored the OT winner?
No, I didn't, because I was already tired and sweaty, and he was like right back at it, getting it, swatting it. He was really energetic out there.
There was one play where you had a wide open net, but you didn't choose to shoot it at that moment. Why didn't you choose to shoot it?
Well, I don't know. I should have shot it. I just wasn't in the zone. I wanted to bring it back so I could have a little bit of safety with the ball.
What? How did you make it to the finals?
Gotta stay up there. Gotta have high hopes. Gotta. And then I gotta do everything else. Gotta do everything. Anything to win it.
Okay, and that is it for your champion. Now we do the ceremony.
Hey! Hey!
Here is your pillow.
Yeah!
And now, to send it off, let me show the viewers first. We have the trophy with the lightning sticker on it from them winning it last season. And it now goes to the St. Louis Blues.
You can look at that a little. That's gonna have a blue sticker.
It will have it on next season. And just
Next season will be at February.
Yeah, January or February, one of those two.
Yeah, because we do it after Christmas,
maybe
and
winter
Christmas
break.
gets too overwhelming.
Or maybe after Christmas during winter break, because I'm probably going to buy those shinny sticks after Christmas. Well, at least I'm going to get those shinny sticks at home.
So, guys, there you have it. Your world champions.
2020
St. Louis Blues 2024 champions
season.
of the UHT Noah's
The knee hockey league.
the knee hockey league. How about we call it
The
NH League?
National Hockey.
Wait, knee hockey. So how about KHL?
Knee hockey league.
Let's go. KHL. We just won the KHL here.
Wait, no. KHLA. Knee hockey. Knee hockey. Wait, no. NKA. Knee Hockey Association.
All right, guys. There you have it. The
That's
winners
it.
of the Knee Hockey Association. There you have.
And coming in second place, the Colorado Avalanche. And first place, your St. Louis Blues.
Guys, this is what they get for second place.
No!
For free.
Nope.
Because he needs it a lot. But there you have it.
They're not
The
the
one
game.
and only St. Louis Blues.
And
Be back in February, anytime after Christmas.
just to let you know, there will be a banner with the Blues right here, just like the Lightning. Except
No, like,
we'll say
right-
season 2.
no,
instead of
no, how about we put it here?
Yeah, that's what I was going to do. There'll be one right here, next to the Lightning.
Tampa Bay.
And that's your season 2.
We're getting ready here, boy.
Bye, ladies.
Bye, Daddy. Suck me.
Subscribe. Rawr.